If police come knocking on your door, here's what to do according to a top criminal defense attorney. First of all, talk through the door. Do not open the door, not even a crack. Opening the door creates an opportunity for what's called plain view doctrine. The second your door opens, anything an officer can see, smell, or hear from that doorway can be used as probable cause to enter, even if you don't give express permission. So if they claim to smell marijuana, or to see something on your table, or hear something concerning inside, that can be used to enter without a warrant, regardless of your consent. The door stays closed no matter what. Now for what to say and what not to say. Do say, do you have a warrant? If they say no, explicitly say, I do not consent to any searches or entry. If you'd like to leave a card, I'll have my attorney reach out. And that is all you say. Don't engage, don't argue, do not answer questions. Police are trained to use a strategy called knock and talk, which is exactly what it sounds like. They knock on your door, start chatting you up. They may seem super friendly or maybe super intimidating, but all they're really trying to do is to get you to say something that you shouldn't, or to give them even the vaguest, slightest consent to come inside. Which, by the way, they don't need super formal consent. A vague gesture to come in or an okay is you waiving your Fourth Amendment right. And anything they see once they're inside, regardless of whether or not you knew it was there, is now evidence that your lawyer cannot get thrown out. Where police are most often able to trip people up is when they ask for someone by name. For example, is John Smith here? You are not required to answer that, and you are not obstructing anything by not answering. You will not get in trouble. You are not required to be cooperative. You are very simply exercising your Fifth Amendment rights. No matter how angry this makes a police officer, you still don't have to answer. Whatever you do, definitely don't say he's not here right now or she's not here right now. Because if police have an arrest warrant for that person, what you just said counts as verification that the person lives there and is expected to return, which gives cops legal grounds to either wait on your house or come back at any time and come in when they believe that person is back home. When asked any questions about who may or may not be in the house, your answer is, I'm exercising my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Repeat it as many times as you need to until they get the picture and give up. Same thing goes for if an officer asks if you have any weapons inside. If you answer, even truthfully, you're now in a conversation that could be used as probable cause. Every answer you give gives them a thread to pull at. So whip out those Fifth Amendment rights and shut the fuck up. Last thing, and this is very important, you should absolutely record the entire interaction from inside your home, just in case they do cross a line or enter without a warrant or without valid probable cause. That footage is exactly what your attorney will need to get anything they find thrown out. Just to recap, don't open the door, ask for a warrant, don't answer any questions. Oh, and call a lawyer. Your home is the most protected place you have under the Constitution. Nobody should make you feel like you are required to open the door, not even police. And trust that they will say or do anything they can to pressure you into opening the door and letting them in anyway. But the only time you should do that is if they present a valid warrant. I hope you never need this info, but it's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it.